Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about PE ratio. First of all we will see what is PE ratio and then we will see how to calculate it. So PE stands for price to earnings, where P refers to price and E stands for earnings. So we divide the price by earnings. Price is equal to the current market price of the share, that is the price which is currently prevailing in the market of a particular stock, and earnings is equal to the earnings per share, that is how much profit is the company generating against each share issued. But wait, a few questions might be popping up in your mind. Number one, how to find the price of a share, that is how to find the current market price, and number two, how to find the earnings per share. So I will show you doing a live demo. Okay, so there are a couple of ways you can find the current market price of a share. Firstly, you can go to the official website of NSE, that is nseindia.com, and after it gets loaded, you can search in the search box, typing the name of the script or the share you want to search. For example, I typed Reliance. Then, after you will scroll down, see in the left side, you will find the current market price of that script. Secondly, you can go to any search engine and type the name of the share and write share price after that. So in the search results, you can click any link that you come across at the first site. Now, when I click on this link, I open the website of Money Control, and you can simply find in the first page itself the current market price of Reliance Industries. So now we will see how you can find the earnings per share. So here on the website of Money Control itself, you can see on the navigation tab, valuations written as a link. Click on that and you will be redirected to valuation section. Now here, as you can see, EPS is written. Like in the case of Reliance, it is 45.7. So it is different for every script, and this is the way you can find the current market price and the EPS of a share. So let's go back to our formula. So first of all, what does PE ratio signifies? What is the importance of PE ratio? So PE ratio is equal to X times, that is, it is given in multiples. We will see what does it mean. PE ratio simply means that how much premium you need to pay in order to buy the share at the current market price. So first question, why you need to pay premium to buy a share? Simply because you are buying a share only once and you are going to reap its benefits like dividend and growth in the company for as long as you want. Another thing, as I already told, it is denoted in terms of multiples, that is premiums. That simply means that if P ratio is given, for example 10, then it simply means that you have to pay the 10 times money of the earnings per share now in order to buy the share at current market price. Let's now move on to some juicy stuff, the formula. So the formula starts as, in the numerator we put the current market price of the share, which is divided by the earnings per share. It is as simple as that, which will be equal to the PE ratio. So I will give you an example. So suppose the current market price of a share is 1000 rupees, right? And the earnings per share is given as 50 rupees. So according to our formula, we need to divide this current market price by the EPS. PE is equal to 1000 divided by 50, that is equal to 20 rupees. That is our PE. So what does this PE ratio of 20 signifies? It simply means that you have to pay the 20 times of the earnings per share, that is 50. So 50 into 20, that is 1000. So you simply need to pay a premium of 20 times of the earnings per share in order to purchase one share of the company. You understand this? Okay, so now I will show you live demo of the calculation of PE ratio. So I have opened the calculator side by side. First, you visit any website that gives you the financial data. For example, I have visited moneycontrol.com, and here I will search for Tata Consultancy Services, for example, and you see the current market price as 2067.65. We are considering the National Stock Exchange price here. Now I type 2067.65 and we have to divide it by the EPS, as you see in the formula, CMP divided by the EPS. So as you know how to get the EPS, Simply click on the valuation section on the website of Money Control and you would get to know the EPS. So here in this case, the earnings per share is 88.64. Now I will divide this CMP with 88.64 and we will get 23.33 as the PE ratio. So how you can confirm this? It is very easy. Firstly, on the Money Control website itself, on the valuation section, you can see that it is given as 23.3 only. And other than that, you can visit the National Stock Exchange website and type the name of the script you want to search for. And there you can also find the data of the current price to earning ratio to confirm it. It might vary a little bit, but uh, on a broader sense, it will remain almost same. So this is the thing how you can compare it. So now we will tweak our formula a little bit to compute the current market price when we are given with the PE ratio and the earnings per share. So the formula is very simple. We have to multiply the PE ratio with the EPS and we will get the current market price of the share. So I will show you a live demo of this. So I have now opened the financials of Marico Limited and I have opened the calculator side by side. So as you can see, the current market price is 330.65 given. So how we can compute it with the PE ratio and EPS? First of all, let us see what is the PE ratio. So it is 42.45. So let me type 42.45 and we will multiply it with the EPS, that is 7.79. So I will write 7.79 and when I will press the is equal to sign, it will give us 330.68. So as you can see, 330.6. So this is how we can calculate the current price of the share by tweaking the formula. Another very interesting thing, we can calculate the earnings per share if we are given the PE ratio and the current market price. Let us see how. It is very simple. We just have to divide this current market price by PE ratio and we will get the earnings per share. So this is the thing that we can, if we are given with any two things, we can compute the third one. So let us now see how does it work. So I have opened the financials of State Bank of India. As you can see, the current market price is 177.15. So I will simply write 177.15 in the numerator and divide it by the PE ratio. So in the calculator now, 177.15 divided by, now we will check the PE ratio in the valuations, that is 10.91. So I will divide by it and we will get 16.23, that is the earnings per share as you can see here. So if we are given with any two things, we can very easily compute the third one. Friends, I hope you found this video knowledgeable and enjoyed watching it. So goodbye for now and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.